Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your REALME 16 Pro 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the brightness in the settings. This is a very important first step. We're gonna go to the settings and now go to display and brightness. First, you guys want to make sure that auto brightness and extra brightness is disabled. Now, this is because whenever we put auto brightness, as you guys can see, it makes our screen very bright and we don't want it. Now, I feel like this brightness right here is the best for the camera too. So, since we've disabled auto brightness and we've set up our manual brightness right here, what we're going to do next is we're going to download the screen dimming app from the Play Store. So, go to search and type in screen dimmer and then OLED Saver. So here, as you guys can see, we have the first app. Now we're gonna click install, and as you guys can see, it's only 1.5 megabytes, so it installs instantly. Now let's click open, and here let's grant the first permission to modify the setting modification. This is for the app to change the brightness. Now here we need to go to general and downloaded apps. Now select screen dimmer, and this is for every time the app actually needs to change our brightness. When we enable another overlay, we rotate our screen, or just enable a keyboard. Now here we need to grant permissions for notifications and just click the check mark here. Now, after you've tapped onto the enable service, as you guys can see, you can adjust it to the point where you do not see your screen flickering, or the way that satisfies you. So here you guys can of course manage the brightness settings. You guys can change the extra dim to dimmer or brighter. It's totally up to you. Of course, you got the advanced, like physical brightness. And as you guys can see, now it's controlled by the app and now by the system. Here you have the brightness change delay, so we're gonna put it right here. And of course, change duration, you guys can change it all. So now, after you're done with the app and you don't want it, you just tap here on the switch, and as a last resort, you check for software updates. So go to settings and then system updates. You need to go to system and update, go to software update, and here check for updates, so it will do that automatically for you. As you guys can see, my version is up to date, and all you guys need to check it as the stable Wi-Fi connection. And if you do not update your software, you will be stuck with all the glitches, so you definitely want to upgrade your software whenever you can. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.